has taken this logo. You see, this depicts the cloud. You can touch the cloud on this carpet and you can have the fun of the rainbow. We always think about the rainbow staying from the ground, how beautiful it is. With this, we can touch the heaven and the colors of rainbow, that is with this carpet. Now,
This product is mainly meant for the kids and the teenagers. But for the promotional aspect, we would like to promote it in the amusement parks and the car dealer shops. Along with the cart, we will give a free ride of this carpet so that they can find how much useful this mat is.
I want to interrupt a little bit, Rituparna here. Nowadays we are finding that people, crowded roads, everywhere means jam is there. We cannot reach in our place very fast. So if this technology is with us, we can opt for this, and the persons who are very much in going through the rush hours of the busy office life, after they are coming, they can go in this flying machine and they can enjoy their evening also.
Well, the specifications of this mattress are: it has temperature control, it has stress resistance, and also it can be much more comfortable compared to conventional mattresses. It can be adjusted, like it can give the feeling of water mattress, or it can give the feeling of air mattress. It can be adjusted. And
now we have cited another problem. If the person is flying high, an older person, perhaps he is having some kind of a breathing problem. What is that? Then there is some kind of inlet here that will provide the oxygen for the people who will be there.
And also the size of this mattress is 6 feet by 6 feet. So a couple or even a child may just travel with them. And also there are guards for the child, like clip, so that it doesn't fall off the mattress.
And about the price, we are keeping it 1,10,000, and our brand ambassador will be Sunita Williams. So the feel with the Sunita Williams. Yeah, the feeling of air, the feeling of astronaut. You can come through. Your dream can come true. We are giving a promotional ride with Sunita Williams also, and the price range that we have kept is 1,10,000. Our market target we have taken as mega cities we are targeting especially, and as Rituparna has told, we are collaborating with car dealers, and those things will be there. And while going for purchasing a car, we will give them an alternative that okay, you can go for this also. They will have a test drive and the option will be on them.
So that's all about our product.